We're continuing today in our series of low testosterone. This is the world's best health coach, giving you what you need to be healthier, live longer, have a better life, have a better quality life, to add 20 to 30 great quality years to your life. Not just years, but great quality years to life. Increase your health span, not your lifespan. There's a big difference. The better, you're healthier, live longer, you can do more of your purpose. That's what we're here to do. I want you to be able to help you travel more, spend time with your family more, to be able to keep your independence, your dignity, keep your mind, your memory, help increase your legacy, help you give more, teach more, give more. Whatever your more is, I want you to be able to do more of it. So today we're talking about testosterone. In the epidemic, we're going to continue about talking about low testosterone. And today we're going to talk about the causes, the 9 causes of low testosterone. First one's a big one. It's poor diet. If you have a low amount of zinc in your diet, zinc helps you build testosterone. So you have to have zinc. An easy way to tell if you're low on zinc, look on your nail beds. If there's white spots, you don't see any white spots on here, but if you saw white spots anywhere on here, that's a sign you're low on zinc. It's a cool sign because you can check it real easy. And if you're low, start taking zinc, it goes away. It's really cool. Wish everything was that easy to check. You just look on your body and see, hey, it's low or not. So low zinc. Soy. Soy has a lot of estrogenic properties, which makes your body think they're estrogens. High estrogen in your body, whether they're real or false estrogens, lowers your testosterone levels. So stay away from soy as much as possible. Processed carbs. If you saw my quiz recently, and the question was, why were Kellogg's cornflakes invented? The correct answer will shock you. But it was to keep men from masturbating. Dr. Kellogg was a doctor up in Michigan a long time ago. I think it's the late 1800s. Knew that processed carbs like cereals and cornflakes lowered your testosterone levels. And he wanted people to masturbate less. That was his goal. He had a religious mission he was on. So that's why he invented cornflakes. Look it up. It's crazy. It's a crazy story, but it's true. Sugar. Stay away from sugar as much as possible. Other poor diet things that will cause low testosterone. Low vitamin D3, K2. Almost everyone needs to be on a D3, K2 supplement. I like the PR Labs D3, K2. We don't get enough sunshine anymore, and when we're out there, we have sunscreen on, so you don't get the vitamin D like you should. Low vitamin E, low vitamin C. Low fat diets. Low fats diets are not good. You need healthy fats. You don't need low fats to lose weight. You need healthy fats. I eat tons of healthy fats, and I don't think I'm overweight. Well, maybe a pound or two, but I'm doing pretty good. Beer. If you have a beer with a lot of hops in there, hops in beer are very estrogenic. Estrogenic compounds are, again, things that make your body think they're estrogens. High estrogen, low testosterone. GMO foods. Stay away from those. Those are another thing that on poor diets that lower our testosterone. All right, number 2, smog or air pollution. Get as clean air as possible. If you live in a high smog air pollution area, make sure you have an air filter inside your house that works really good, a good one. And I'll have something on that next couple months on some really good air purifiers. Xenoestrogens. Xeno means false. They're also called xenohormones. Xenoestrogens. Xeno means false, foreign. It means your body thinks these things, just like soy, is an estrogen, but it's not. And xenoestrogens are everywhere, and anything that smells, gives off a whole bunch of bad smell, like varnish, paint, anything new smells, like new furniture, that new car smell. A lot of those air fresheners are horrible xenoestrogens in there. Nail polish, hair perms, those adhesives in furniture and flooring. Anything with a really strong chemical smell are usually xenoestrogens, which lowers your testosterone level. Plastics. Stay away from plastics as much as possible. Phthalates and parabens. There's xenoestrogens. Bisphenol A. That's in also water bottles, especially any plastics. If you heat it in the sun, like water bottles, sport drink bottles, any bisphenols A on those receipts you get at the store. Those little receipts are real slick. That has your receipt on there. Try not to touch that as much as possible because it's got that bisphenol A, which gets into your system. Another reason to go paperless receipts and just go email. Being overweight. Number 5, being overweight. Adipose tissue contains aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. Another no-no if you want to raise your testosterone. Poor sleep, reduced sleep. If you need better sleep, go to my new book on Amazon called 30 Days to Better Sleep. It tells you 30 things to do once a day for 30 days to see what's going to improve your sleep and what's not going to. But poor sleep, reduced sleep reduces or raises cortisol level. Cortisol is just like estrogen. High cortisol, low testosterone. Not having sex. Sex is good to have. It stimulates your follicles to produce estrogen. Way over exercising. If you exercise, if you're one of those guys that just do these marathons and you're training every single day and you're just exercising, you don't give your body enough rest, it raises the cortisol levels up. Again, high cortisol, low T. Constant stress or anxiety. That's really kind of like the last one because they both raise cortisol, which lowers T. But if your situation you're in is constant stress and anxiety day after day after day, you can have some stress and anxiety, it's okay. But if you're constantly under stress and anxiety, it's going to lower that testosterone. All right, so I hope you enjoyed and learned some things from these 9 things that cause low testosterone. Keep listening to our journey. We've got a series of these things. We're going over all these different things that help you raise and figure out the best way to get your testosterone where you need so you can really enjoy life and have that drive to do everything you need. This is the world's best health coach. We'll see you next time.